All right, y'all. I'm here on my day off. And believe it or not, it's been 6 years since I've been working for the company I'm working for now, that I've had a day off to myself. And, you know, I've had days off before, but it's always been traveling, vacation, wedding, something. So here I am. I got all the time to myself, and I'm starting my project. So why don't you follow along and see what I got going on here. I got a whole list of things to do. But first and foremost, thanks to my father-in-law, I'm putting in a garbage disposal. All right, so I got the old drain line taken out already. I'm gonna go ahead and wire it up. I gotta drill a hole through the floor. I found a pathway. I'll be able to get right up, put a switch underneath the cabinet, and we'll be good to go. Stay tuned, because this is like one of many projects that I'm gonna get into, but I'm so excited to finally have some time. So, all right, so I did some scraping around in here, and I realized that I don't have to, well, actually I did some poking around in the electrical code. And in this area, in this code jurisdiction, you do not have to have a separate circuit for your dishwasher. It can be a shared circuit. I'm sorry, garbage disposal. So I'm going to share it with the dishwasher. So I took this thing apart, did a little bit of exploration. I'm going to go ahead and tie into the dishwasher, but to make it legit, I'm going to go ahead and drill through the floor. I went and did some selective demo on my sea container, scavenged a junction box. So I'm going to go downstairs, put it up underneath the ceiling, run the circuit into the junction box, then come off for the dishwasher and the garbage disposal. So that eliminates the need for me needing to run a new circuit from the breaker panel. So see how it goes. See, wire. All right, we got the wire through. I hit the hole right on the money. So I'm going to go ahead and take this here old work box, and I'm going to put it inside the cabinet here. So we have a switch right underneath the sink. I don't really want to cut in the backsplash, so I'm doing it the easy way. The hole for the outlet marked out. We're going to go ahead and give my new oscillating tool I got for Christmas a wing here. See if we can get this hole cleanly cut. Alright, so I got the switch wired up, the disposal's in, it's wired up, it's pulled through. It took a while, but I wanted to do it neat, which I did, so I'm going to take it down here. I pulled all the wire to a junction box in the ceiling. You can see the penetrations go through the floor. I'm going to go ahead and wire those off, close the box, and we'll see if we have a working disposal. Everything's hooked up. Plumbing should be good by now. So I'm going to go ahead and do a leak test. I got the plug in. We'll go ahead and fill it up. See what we got. Leak test. Thankfully, that's what the one I was worried about. Now we can go ahead and flicker on like a charm. All right, on to the next one. You know what they say, life is good.